Good morning and welcome back. Today we will see multiple choice question on unit number 7, carburation of internal combustion engine. Question number 1, stoichiometric air fuel ratio of petrol is roughly option A 50 s to 1, option B 25 s to 1, option C 15 s to 1, option D 1 s to 1. So correct answer is option C, that is 15 s to 1. Stoichiometric air fuel ratio of petrol is roughly 15 s to 1. Option C is correct. Question number 2, Venturi in the carburetor results in option A decreases of air velocity, option B increase of air velocity, option C decrease of fuel flow, option D increase of manifold vacuum. So correct answer is option B, that is increase of air velocity. As you all know that Venturi in the carburetor results in pressure drop, and because of that drop in a pressure, velocity increases and suction happens. So Venturi in the carburetor results in option B increase of air velocity. Question number 3, the choke is closed when the engine is option A accelerating, option B hot, option C cold, option D idling. So correct answer is option C, that is cold. Question number 4, lean air mixture is required during option A idling, option B starting, option C accelerating, option D cruising. So correct answer is option D, that is cruising. So lean air mixture is required during cruising, or cruising is also called as economical range, where lean air mixture is required and economy also getting good. So option D is correct, cruising. Question number 5, the limits of air fuel for SI engine are option A 8 by 1 s to 18 by 1, option B 8 by 1 s to 50 by 1, option C 25 by 1 to 50 by 1, option D 50 s to 1 to 100 s to 1. So correct answer is option A, that is 8 s to 1 to 18 s to 1. The limit for air fuel for SI engine. Question number 6, in a SI engine, for maximum power, the relative fuel air ratio is also called as fuel air ratio to the stoichiometric fuel air ratio. So it is the ratio of fuel air ratio to stoichiometric fuel air ratio, that is called as relative fuel air ratio, is option A 1.5, option B 1.2, option C 0.8, option D 0.8. So correct answer is option B, that is 1.2. So question number 7, for maximum thermal efficiency, the fuel air mixture in SI engine should be option A lean mixture, option B rich mixture, option C stoichiometric mixture, option D maybe rich or lean. So correct answer is option A, that is lean. For maximum thermal efficiency, the fuel air mixture in SI engine should be lean for maximum thermal efficiency. As you all know that for maximum thermal efficiency, the 100% fuel component must be burned. So that is possible when the mixture is lean and sufficient amount of air is available to burn all the particles of fuel. So in such a case, we'll get maximum thermal efficiency. So option A is correct, lean mixture. Question number 8, during starting petrol engine require option A stoichiometric mixture, option B lean mixture, option C rich mixture, option D any air fuel ratio is all right. So correct answer is option C, that is rich mixture. During starting petrol engine require option C rich mixture, because at the start the temperature and pressure is less, and because of that for starting uh, engine needs a rich mixture to start the engine, and afterwards engine will start. So option C is correct, that is rich mixture. Question number 9, for petrol engines the method of governing is option A heat and misgoverning, option B quality governing, option C quantity governing, option D none of the above. So correct answer is option C, that is quantity governing. For petrol engines the method of governing is quantity governing. So in case of petrol engine or SI engine, the quality means the air fuel mixture quantity is not controllable. So with respect to speed, that varies. So that is why it is called as quantity governing. And quality is for CI engine. So where governor is used to control. Question number 10. Economizer is used to provide enriched mixture during option A starting, option B idling, option C cruising, option D full throttle operation. So correct answer is option D, that is full throttle operation. Economizer is used to provide enriched mixture during full throttle operation. Question number 11. When the throttle is suddenly opened, the mixture from the simple carburetor tends to become option A rich, option B lean, option C stoichiometric, option D not affected. So correct answer is option B, that is lean. When the throttle valve is suddenly opened, the mixture from the simple carburetor tends to become lean mixture because of that sudden opening, the velocity is less, and because of that the mixture is lean, and after some time the mixture get rich. So question number 12. Precise petrol injection system is option A direct injection, option B sequential injection, option C throttle body injection, option D port injection. So correct answer is option C, that is throttle body injection. So precise petrol injection system is throttle body injection. Question number 13. The choke in an automobile meant for supplying option A lean mixture, option B rich mixture, option C stoichiometric mixture, option D weak mixture. So correct answer is option B, that is rich mixture. The choke in automobile meant for supplying rich mixture. By applying a choke, the quantity of air is blocked and obviously the mixture get rich. Question number 14. Modern carburetors provides the correct quality of air-fuel mixture during option A starting, option B idling, option C cruising, option D all the condition. So modern carburetor is designed to for quality a correct quality of air-fuel mixture during all conditions. So option D is correct. Question number 15. A simple carburetor supplies rich mixture during option A starting, option B idling, option C cruising, option D accelerating. So correct answer is option D, that is accelerating. So as I told you that it is quantity governing, and the carburetor supplies rich mixture during accelerating because the quantity of fuel changes or varies with respect to speed. So that is why the option D is correct.